I'm going to hold it between my fingers and just squeeze delicious ganache right in the middle.
Thanks for joining us at Artisan Cakes. It's time for another tip of the day.
Match up your macaron shell. So this is my first tray, and what I do is I just find macarons that are somewhat close in shape and size, and those will be my mates, my matches. Your shells are going to be a little bit fragile at this point, so be really careful not to press too hard on the center. Pick it up by its edges. This is going to be the strongest point. So if my bottom is here, I'm going to hold it between my fingers and just squeeze delicious ganache right in the middle. You can make this as thin or as thick as you'd like. Just a gentle little wiggle will get it attached into a beautiful macaron.